don't want our eyes to get hurt because of the sunlight. Surya చూడొచ్చా డైరెక్ట్గా నేరుగా? చూడొద్దు. You should not see the sun directly with naked eye. What will happen? పోతుంది. The optic nerves will get damaged, right? Now here, what is the property of a telescope? How big is your eye? What is the size of your eye? Pupil? Iris? Pupil అంటారా ఏమంటారు? బైపీసీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరు చేతులు ఎత్తండి. ఏమంటారు అమ్మ కంటి లోపల గుండ్రంగా ఉండేది? ప్యూపిల్ అంటారు కదా. ఎంత ఉంటుంది సైజు? 8 mm, 8 millimeters ఉంటుందా? The size of the eye of the telescope is 6 inches here. This is the size of our eye. This is called as aperture. లైట్ అంతా కాంతి అంతా ఇందులోంచే కదా లోపలికి వెళ్ళాల్సింది, రైట్? సో ఇందులో ఎలా ఉంది? పెద్ద సైజ్ ఎంత ఉంది? 6 inches, పెద్దగా ఉంది. సో ఇట్ విల్ కలెక్ట్ మోర్ లైట్. More light will be collected and then it will be focused into your eye at the eyepiece. Telescopes क्या होता है? One mirror ఉంటుంది, ఇంకో eyepiece ఉంటుంది. Objective and eyepiece. Eyepiece దగ్గర more light will be collected and will be sent to your eye. Then your eye will get damaged if you are looking at the sun directly. So we have to use this kind of filter. This is not aluminum sheet. This is not aluminum sheet. This is a technical grade filter. We buy it from laboratories. Okay, suppliers, those who supply for laboratories, we buy it from them. A good equipment. Okay, so this is called as neutral density filter, which will reduce the intensity of the sunlight by 1000 times. Come here. Explain.
Mirror here, that is the primary mirror, and we have a second. Did you see this? There was a small secondary mirror inclined at certain angle. This one, the small one. So the rays that are coming.
Are you able to see another mirror here?
This, there is some
in the middle,
like inclined.
Yeah.
That is our secondary mirror. So the rays that are coming, that gets collected at this by this primary mirror,
right? You are able to see, all of you?
And
there is
then
second mirror.
లోపల ఒక పెద్ద మిర్రర్ ఉంది చూడు, అది ప్రైమరీ మిర్రర్.
Right, the bigger one is primary mirror. There is another mirror in the middle here. That is secondary mirror. So how is the light coming?
So the light is
entering into the tube.
Entering into the tube, and it gets reflected at this mirror, and we know that it will converge at the focal point. So before that that rays are converged, we place a secondary mirror that will be plane, that will be at certain angle, generally 45 degrees, so that the rays, these rays that are coming, it will incline on this and it will reflect parallelly to our eyepiece.
Okay, so incident light ray, after reflection, second reflection, it will come outside like this. This mirror is only a plane mirror. This kind of telescope is called as, what is this kind of telescope called as? Newtonian telescope. Newton, you know who is Newton? Isaac Newton. Remember? So Newtonian telescope, this is called as Newtonian telescope, where you have one curved mirror here, paraboloid mirror, or a concave mirror. Then here you have plane mirror, and then the light comes out of the telescope at 45 degrees, where you keep some other lenses. You call this as eyepieces. These are called as eyepieces. Okay,
and this is our guider scope.
So you will keep another small telescope here. You will call it as guider telescope or a finder telescope. This telescope will have very good magnification, bigger magnification, but this telescope will have lesser magnification. Right? Magnification ఎక్కువ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, మనం ఏం చూస్తున్నాం మనకు అర్థం కాదు. ఏ దిక్కు చూస్తున్నాం, సన్న మూన, అసలు ఏం చూస్తున్నాం అర్థం కాదు. ఆర్ట్స్ కాలేజ్ చూస్తున్నామో అర్థం కాదు. సో వాట్ వీ డూ, వీ పాయింట్ అట్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఫైండర్ టెలిస్కోప్. ఈ ఫైండర్ టెలిస్కోప్ చూసుకొని వీ అలైన్ అవర్ టెలిస్కోప్, వీ అరేంజ్ అవర్ టెలిస్కోప్. దెన్ వీ లుక్ త్రూ ద eyepiece. Then there is a mechanism by which you can change the distance of eyepiece from the secondary mirror. Okay, you are able to see it? It is moving up and down. by doing this, what are we doing? We are trying to focus the image. We are trying to adjust the distance between the objective mirror and the eyepiece. What is the magnification for a telescope? Optics, it's there na, in the first year only. No? In 10th class you had na? 10th class optics you had? 8th class? 12th, abba. 10th class you don't have? You didn't have